In this tutorial, we will show you how to enhance your website's testimonial sections using the Addon plugin for Elementor. With the Addons testimonial widget, you can create stunning testimonial carousels with various styles, helping you build trust and credibility with your users. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install the Addons plugin. Simply navigate to the plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard and install the add-ons. Once installed, we'll be using the free widget for this tutorial. After activating the Addon plugin, head back to the plugin settings. In the settings, you'll find an option to enable the Testimonial Carousel widget. Make sure to enable it to unlock the powerful features it offers. This Elementor testimonial widget allows for numerous customizations. To display a testimonial on your website, you do not need to start creating any custom post types. It can be controlled from the Elementor editor panel. You can choose different slider options from the widget slider setting. This allows you to select the number of items per row, animation time, autoplay delay, and various navigation styles. In the Style tab, you have the option to customize the styling of the testimonial carousel. You can change the background color of the main wrapper, adjust the padding and margin of slide items, and even modify the position of the slider item. You have complete control over the font size and color of each item in the slider, allowing you to match your testimonials seamlessly with your website's design. You have the option to choose the number of items displayed on mobile and tablet devices as well. Don't miss out on the chance to enhance your website's credibility and build trust with your audience. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials, and be sure to share this video with others who may find it useful. Thank you for watching.